Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view all the groups you've joined on WhatsApp using the latest update on the WhatsApp app for PC. If you've ever wondered where all your groups are or need to find them quickly, this feature makes it super easy. Let's jump right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once it's loaded and you're logged in, you'll be on your main chat screen. Next, look up to the top of the page and you'll see 3 vertical lines on the left side. These are your menu options. Go ahead and click on those 3 lines to open the menu. Now, in the menu, you'll see an option called Groups. Click on Groups, and this will take you to a list of all the groups you've joined on WhatsApp. Here, you'll be able to see all of your groups in one place. It's a great way to quickly find any group you want to check in on, whether it's for work, family, or a hobby. You can easily scroll through this list to locate the group you're looking for, and just click on it to enter. And that's it. You've successfully accessed all the groups you've joined on WhatsApp through the app on your PC. It's a really handy feature, especially if you're in a lot of groups and need to keep track of them all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on WhatsApp and other apps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.